Hi, I am Bikramadittya. During my data analyst internship at Unified Mentor, I worked on two key projects. The first project was COVID-19 clinical trial, EDA and Power BI dashboard, where I used Python, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn and Power BI to clean, analyze and visualize clinical trial data. The project helped me develop strong skill, exploratory data analysis and dashboard creation. And the second project was electric vehicle sales in India, where I used Python, machine learning, Power BI and Tableau for data cleaning, analyzing, visualizing and forecasting. The project enhanced my ability in data processing, visualization and applying machine learning technologies. Both projects belong to the data analyst and data scientist domain and strengthened my analytical problem solving and storytelling skills. Thank you.